Introducing Insight for QuickBase, the application documenter tool, a new tool from the Data Collaborative. Insight for QuickBase is the first full-featured automated QuickBase application documentation system that can be installed in your own QuickBase account. Insight for QuickBase records the structural features of your QuickBase applications, tables, fields, reports, and the relationships between them. It enables developers to create their own descriptions for the purpose and interrelationships of fields. By allowing you to treat this structural map as data that can be manipulated, searched, and queried, Insight for QuickBase gives you a valuable new perspective and increased control over your apps. It is an ideal tool for both developers and business managers who work with large, complex QuickBase applications. Here are some of the business benefits of Insight for QuickBase. Annotate tables, fields, and reports with ease, minimizing the time and effort required to train new developers and application administrators. Address Sarbox application audit questions with accuracy and speed. Accurately predict the size of complex, data-heavy applications. Reduce risks associated with planning and executing changes to your applications. Maintain a high level of security by installing Insight for QuickBase within your QuickBase realm. This internal storage makes Insight for QuickBase superior to other third-party competitors and uniquely suited to major enterprise clients with heavy security constraints. With a single click, Insight for QuickBase automatically builds a complete map of your application, creating records for all tables, fields, and reports. Each one of these records is linked to the original feature in the documented application, which allows you to easily switch between your documentation and the application itself. Each record also contains a documenter description that can be used by application developers and administrators to annotate an application's structural features. These annotations can be used to familiarize new personnel with an app's structure and to minimize errors in making application changes that involve a large number of interrelated fields. For each table, Insight for QuickBase calculates the size of an empty row from the sum of the empty sizes of all that table's fields, making it possible for you to predict the size of your application even as your data grows. Insight for QuickBase creates searchable records of field usage, enabling you to track the presence and implementation of a field throughout your entire application. With QuickBase's powerful queries, Insight for QuickBase allows you to easily compare and standardize designs and structures among fields, tables, or even entire applications. See your QuickBase apps in a new light with Insight for QuickBase, available now from the Data Collaborative.